Okay, I've got all the springs in. I've taken hardware pack number 2 and I've set it aside. We're going to need all that other hardware, so I know where that's at. And now I found some connecting bolts from the manila envelope, and I want to show you a connecting bolt so you can identify it. If you notice, the connecting bolt is threaded on one side, kind of has a narrow collar in the middle, and then the head, and it uses a Phillips bit. So I've got my power driver with a Phillips bit, and I'm going to just kneel down here, and we're going to have a series of holes that have been machined into this panel. Here, there's some up the side and some across the top. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in. Now as I'm threading that down in, I'm just threading that down until the collar meets the surface of the panel and not any deeper than that. That will align it for a cam fitting. So I'll just go around here and put all of these in that will be needed. There's 2 back here. And then as I move up the side, there are 3 holes. Now, our beds come in different depths, so our sideboards are different depths, but this one has the holes near the back. Yours might have a cluster of holes that are a little bit further out and then a couple more up here, but essentially they're all the same size hole, and you'll need to have a connecting bolt in any of those holes that are available on this side. And then as I move up here toward what will be the top, there's 3 holes, and I wanted to point out that there's 3 on this side, which is ultimately going to be the right side when I set this bed up. But the other side will have 4, and that's intentional. So you'll have 3 here and 4 on the other side. Now I'm going to go to the other sideboard and do the same thing.